right, so let's jump right into Survicate panel. We are going to create a survey together, as I mentioned. For the ones that are new to Survicate, we offer 4 different survey channels, essentially. You can send your surveys with email or shareable link. You can run it on your website or in product. You can send it via your you can launch it in your mobile application, or if you're using Intercom Messenger, then you can also send survey inside Intercom Messenger chat. So for today, we are going to create an email or shareable link survey together because we want to send an email via Salesforce. But Salesforce integration works with all of those 4 survey channels. So you can apply similar steps to each of those surveys, and you will be able to use Salesforce integration in either cases. All right, so I will start from a template to save some time. We are going to use the NPS Net Promoter Score template, and then we are going to modify our survey later on. All right, so the idea that I have for my NPS survey is this. The customers for my customers that are detractors or passive, so the ones that collect 0 to 8, replied 0 to 8, I would like to ask them what is the reason for their score, and I would like to give them a predefined set of options with the option to add other. And for the rest of my customers, I would like to add different follow-up questions based on the answers that they give. Right, and then also for this detractors and passives, I would like to include additional open-ended question just so that they can leave any additional feedback that they might have. And for my customers that are promoters, so the ones that gave me 9 or 10, I would like to just ask them whether what do they like the most about my product, and then that's where the survey will finish. So let's go ahead and alter our template to do that. So first I'm going to add a question from my question library. I already have it saved right here. Okay, so this will be my second question. So here, whenever my customer gives any of the response that includes missing features, I want to ask them what are the features that are, what is the feature that's missing? So let's go ahead and add that question. What features were missing? Perfect. So I will not be needing this question anymore now. And for this one, maybe let's change it to, is there anything else you'd like to share? Okay. And final question, I'm going to keep it the same way. Let's go ahead and set up the survey logic now. Basically, survey logic is a feature that allows you to create branches within your survey so that you can give every response its own interaction path. On the topic of survey logic, actually, we also kind of recently shipped another improvement to our survey logic that today you can build more complex logical flows with more complex logical branches, and also you can use survey logic for some question types that it didn't offer it in the past, like multiple question and matrix question. So we're going to make use of that as today. Okay, so if the response is between 0 to 8, then go to the next question. If the response is between 9 to 10, then, then skip those questions and only go to the 5th question. Then finally, okay, what is the main reason for your score? Let's do it if the response includes, because I only want to show the next missing features question to the ones that answered missing features. If the response includes missing features, then show them what features were missing. If the response does not include missing features, then skip that 3rd question. Do not ask them what features are missing and only show them the 3rd question. So this question is not going to be changed. For this one, yes, this is going to finish the survey, and the next question is also going to finish the survey. Perfect. So this is all about creating the questions of the survey. Let's also go ahead and change the design quickly. I'm just going to pick something from pre-made templates. Let's go with the classic black one. Because I also want to embed the first question of my survey inside this Salesforce email that I'm going to build, I want to change the email template of my survey. For now, I'm just going to change the button colors to this pretty purple color right here. All right, so we have built our survey.